Where is it? Come southwest. Come back southwest. Where is it for?
No,
They don't know.
the BK is dismount here, the BK.
Come south. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. If we follow the PK, Tetford will flank us from behind.
No, they will not. No,
But
they will
you
not.
know, just like being okay. We don't know, maybe.
We can kill these dogs.
Okay, till
They will
Tetford to
come
zone
back.
and flank them. We push them from front.
Tetford is going to zone.
Come southwest. Come southwest. Let's bait them, guys. Guys, we need to bait them here. You see the space?
Okay. Yeah.
Look at my ring. Boom. Like they cannot move. If we go to the like a big place, like you know, we cannot use it. We need like some shocks and shit, you know. Make them hard to follow us. Like we can have full kiting. Fire, make fire roll.
Don't forget your food.
Second
Shit,
only, guy. The PK has Arreds, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
We are sandwich.
Arbrawl, what the fuck? Arbrawl, no.
Oh.
The
Tetford?
PKs.
I know.
I don't know.
Because I don't know.
Not
All I
a
see that they are Gucci.
Cocorico, like. Cocorico? Bro, I don't know this guild. It's a trash guild. Come on. Hold. Just like keep seeing the crown, okay? Do not like go far away. Come east a bit now. Come southwest. That's hot. Come southwest now. Come southeast.
Kill over the wall.
Okay.
No,
Come
not
south. Pass me south. Just hold it. We have a good shot here. Come northeast now. Step up. Wait northeast. Look northeast, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit northeast.
What?
Come southwest now. Come southwest. Cleanse front. Come southwest. Southeast after that. Cleanses. Come southwest. Defend. Get. Heal him. Come in. Demons on him. Let's heal him. Come west up. Down show. Come southwest. Down show. My DPS. Wake up with me, okay? Come southwest. Come south. Come away from the mid. Take south. Take the west side. Hold a bit. Let them come to us. We're gonna hit shallow again. Look shallow, okay? Prepare to hit front, okay? Come southwest now.
Kill over the wall.
Okay, guys, do not stay north. If something happens, we go southwest. Okay? We go southwest to the south. Look north, guys. Look north front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit north front. Kill the front. Kill the cedar. Come south now. Cleanse. Come south. Who kill south. Go south. Just go south. Let's go south. Watch out. Cleanses. They looking. Get dev. Demons. Heal it up. Come southeast now. Follow down. Come southeast. Come southeast and heal. Look north, guys. We're gonna hit the backline now. Look north, guys. Okay, keep up this guy. Watch out, okay? Look north, guys. Hit north. Come west. Look west deep. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit west deep. Hit the west. Come southeast now. Hey, cleanses. Demon now. Just demons spawn. Demons spawn. Spread. Come south and heal. Come south. Roll Jack on Perma. Come south. I need some heals. Heal Pablo. Open. Come southeast now. Come east up the show. East double show. And look west down show. Tell me cool down. Look west. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the tank. Come northeast now. Come north of the show. Come northwest. Come northwest. Come northwest. Run with Ukot. Come north now. Finish it about. If someone is following. Okay, I have my DPS. Okay, come north. Just keep on north. Keep going forward. Bait them. Follow. Let them fall. Come north.
Rager, come back.
Come north now. Come southwest. Down show. Look over the wall. Okay. Come down show. This all down show. Come southwest now. We're gonna go like the same place. Go southwest. Look over the wall, guys. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit over the wall. Hit this guy over the wall. Friends. They looking. Dip. Giga. Heal it. Dip. Heal it up. Come southwest. We two start. Come southwest. I think spread Molotov. We.
Yeah, it's big balance.
They are
fight.
two, bro. What the fuck?
They are
They are fighting too many.
They are a lot, bro.
They're
It's
not like
the same
one
thing
party
they
or
did,
like
right?
one party and a half. There are two parties at least.
And PKs just came.
Okay, someone clip, guys. We're gonna watch something like your position there was, I think, not bad, very bad like that. I don't know why you're standing like there. You give them like a free engage.
On the last engage, I think everything
Yeah.
is stopped. And then turned.
I
Not
lost-
stop, no,
yeah,
not
yeah.
stop. Like,
I
it's not
get-
stop. Like we stacked too
I
much there.
Yes.
We could like hit over the wall like from the other side, but like we stuck in the bend. It's okay, GG guys.
GG guys. Oh,
GG guys, we survived. We killed some
they
of
fight
them.
Good
They
Double
fighting
their own
with,
number.
PK. They fight with PK.
Yeah.
PK for no.
right
They will
now?
lose.
Yes.
Are they losing?
No, maybe
Yeah,
they are more than BK, bro. They are top.
They are big.
The blob
We
is
are
the
two-
same,
two-
guys. The blob is the same.
Who said to you we are 20?
Okay, right.